Hello, this is Catman News. Now bring on MacBook Air. Even though it's my MacBook Air. It's Mac though. Now we should have less technical issues. Now, I will show you today's forecast. Today's high is 59 degrees Fahrenheit and today's low was 38. An area of high pressure is going to keep our skies clear for the rest of the week. Okay. Today's technical is this new plasma globe. This plasma globe has on switch. And today's feature, it can pull off. I don't want to pull it off all the way because it might break. Okay, let's turn it on. Can play around with it. It's amazing. Amazing what you can do with these things, but be cautious with it. There's high voltage. That's what these little lines are. They're high voltage. Do not touch them if you break one open. Okay. Also, are floppy disks more complex than a CD? Find out later in Catman News. We'll be right back. Have you been wanting to look all cool like this? Try these new 3D sunglasses. They shade your eyes while you can see stuff in 3D. Buy them somewhere, I don't care. Alright, we're back with Catman News. With me, your technical producer and newscast man. Okay. Now, today we see our floppy drives better than a CD drive. Well, CD, they're all round stuff. And these are square. Most people prefer squares better than round stuff, circular stuff, because they're easier to measure. Also, CDs, the computer has to be on for you to take them out. Or you have to push in that tiny little hole, which needs something like a paper clip or something. While these floppy drives, these only need a push of a button, and that's that. Some cons of the floppy is once you insert it, this thing opens. Then it starts spinning this, which that makes a lot of noise. People prefer quiet more than noise. While this is more efficient. It reads stuff faster and a lot quieter, depending on your CD drive. Find out later on the next episode of Catman News. Why you shouldn't. Maybe should if you want to. But maybe shouldn't. Throw a ball at someone's face. Thanks for watching Catman News. We'll be right back after following commercials. Alright, we're back. There were no commercials because the CD line was down. So, now we're going to end our show a lot quicker. Okay. Bye.